How to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time on your iPhone or iPad. So if you want to fix could not create account, your account cannot be created at this time on your iPhone or your iPad, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. From settings, you need to scroll down and then you need to go with your software update. And if you have any automatic updates available, or if you have any software updates available, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating your software, you just restart your device and your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and from your home screen of your settings, you need to go with general, scroll down a bit, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset all of your settings. After resetting your settings, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can go back and restart your device. After restarting, open up your browser, like you can go with Safari browser. After opening a Safari, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for create Apple ID or create Apple account. Now scroll down and then you need to go with the official website, Apple's official website, and then you'll be able to create your Apple account. Or you can just simply go with your device and then go with your Apple account, tap on forgot password or don't have an account, and then create a free Apple account. It will be on your settings. Open up your settings and here on the top you will have create account. You can tap on it and you'll be able to create your account. So that's how you can fix your could not create account. Your account cannot be created this time. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.